Send a Tree is a hypothetical startup. It does not exist, I made it up. Any resemblance with reality is pure coincidence, and I mean it. If you see anything that's similar, just let me know. Anyway, Send a Tree is an online application that has one feature at the moment. It's pretty similar to the initial version of the Yo app, if you are familiar with that one. The only feature is sending digital trees to your friends. Simple as that. There is a paid feature as well. You can send super trees. The first super tree is free to send, the rest cost $1. But what do you think? Would people really pay to send a digital super tree? Ben, the hypothetical CEO of Send a Tree, thinks they would. But as a junior data scientist, your job will be to give a data-driven answer and take guessing out of the equation. At the end of the course, we will see more clearly, I promise. Let's take a look at our current numbers. Send a Tree was released about 6 months ago, and the data tracking was implemented 5 months ago. At that time, the company had around 100 new registrants and around 303 cents per day. As of today, these numbers stand at 1,800 new registrants and above 16,003 cents per day. Pretty impressive growth, right? But is the company heading in the right direction? It's gonna be your job to find out. You will get the raw data and much more data soon, but let me share some practical tips and tricks first.